Hello students, we are here once again with our chapter 1 number and their operations, and our today's topic will be place value and expanded form of numbers. So we are going to discuss about the place value and expanded form of the numbers, how we expand the given numbers and how we find the place value of the given numbers. So first we are reviewing place value. The place value is the value of the place or position of a digit in the number or series. For example, we have been given the number 2,45,678. Here the place value of 5 is 1000 because it is at 1000 place. So place value is the digit or its face value, that is the actual digit where it exists, that is 5, and the value of the place at which place it exists, that is unit, tens, hundred and thousand. So the digit multiply by 1000, so 5 multiply by 1000, we get 5000 as its place value. Okay, then we are having face value. So the face value is the value of digit itself. For example, similarly in the numbers that we have taken previously, 2,45,678, face value of 5 will be 5 only. Okay, so this is the difference between place value and face value. Face value is the digit itself only, and in place value we need to multiply the digit with the at which place it exists. Then we are having the place value of a digit of face value multiply value of the place, that we have already discussed. And as in the example we have taken 5, again we are reviewing it as we need to find the place value of 5. So what we have done here, 5 multiplied by 1000, because 5 exists at 1000 place, so its place value is 5000. Then we are having expanded form. So in expanded form, what we need to do is, the expanded form of a number is the expression written as the sum of place values of each digit of the number. So to understand the expanded form, first let us see a table for the given number. Here we have written face value and place value of each digit. So here you can see we have written the face values, and in the first column, and in the second column we can see the place values. So while writing the expanded form, we continue with the first digit, that is 8. From 8, that is 8 arrows, we will write the first place value of first digit, then second, third, and so on. Okay, so we can say that from the above table we can see the place value and face value of the given digits. So to write the number in expanded form, we need to see the place value and start from the first digit, that is last column of the to the first column. Okay, from last column we start from the table and move to the first column. So for the number we have written 8 arrow, we have written first, then 60 lakhs, 60 crores, then 5 crores, then 9 lakh, 8 lakh, and 30,000, 270 and 9. Okay, so we have taken the stepwise, last column number we have taken first, then second last, and so on, and we have written in expanded form. Okay, or we can say, to write in expanded form, you can simply place the number of zeros according to the number of digits after each digit. For example, so here in this number we have been given, so to write in expanded form we can see that 3, we have been given 3. First digit is 3, and after 3 we can see 7 more digits. So we will simply place 7 zeros after 3, and then next digit is 4, and we are having 6 more digits after 4, so we will place 6 more zeros after 4, and so on. According to the number of digits left behind, we place the zeros accordingly behind the digit, and we can write in expanded form. Okay.